Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 7 Sapphire Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the controls menu. To do it, press and hold the light button. Once you open the controls menu, you can scroll through this menu by using the up and down buttons, like this. Scroll through the menu, select the Do Not Disturb mode option, and once you select it, you should see if it's on or off. As you can see, at the moment the status is off, so if you want to enable the mode, select the Do Not Disturb mode, press the start to enable it. And as you can see, the status changed to on and the icon changed the color, which indicates that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, press and hold the light button to open the controls menu. Select the Do Not Disturb mode icon. Once you select it, press the start/stop button to change the status to off and disable the mode. And then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. You can also turn on and off the Do Not Disturb mode through settings. So, to do it, press and hold the up/menu button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the system option. Once you find it, tap on it. Then find the Do Not Disturb mode option. Once you find it, tap on it. And here we have the status. And we can tap on it to switch it to on or off. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face, like this. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.